The Old South Meeting House is a historic congregational church building located at the corner of Milk and Washington Streets in the downtown crossing area of Boston, Massachusetts, built in 1729. It gained fame as the organizing point for the Boston Tea Party on December 16, 1773. 5,000 or more colonists gathered at the Meeting House, the largest building in Boston at the time. The Meeting House or church was completed in 1729, with its 56 meters, 183 feet steeple. The congregation was gathered in 1669 when it broke off from First Church of Boston, a congregational church founded by John Winthrop in 1630. After the Boston Massacre in 1770, yearly anniversary meetings were held at the church until 1775, featuring speakers such as John Hancock and Dr. Joseph Warren. In 1773, 5,000 people met in the Meeting House to debate British taxation and, after the meeting, a group raided 3 tea ships anchored nearby in what became known as the Boston Tea Party. In October 1775, led by Lieutenant Col Samuel Birch of the 17th Dragoons, the British occupied the Meeting House due to its association with the Revolutionary cause. They gutted the building, filled it with dirt, and then used the interior to practice horse riding. They destroyed much of the interior and stole various items, including William Bradford's of Plymouth Plantation, 1620, a unique Pilgrim manuscript hidden in Old South's Tower.